Hello children, today we'll be doing this question on Caesar cipher. This question has been asked in the board practical exam of 2017. Please read the question which is written over here. Caesar cipher is an encryption technique which is implemented as ROT13, that is rotate by 13 place. It is a simple letter substitution cipher that replaces a letter with the letter 13 places after it in the alphabets, with the other characters remaining unchanged. Write a program to accept a line of text of length L where L must be greater than 3 but less than 100. Encrypt the text as per the Caesar cipher. See the sample input. If it is written as hello exclamation mark how are you, the output should be hello is encrypted into URYYB, exclamation mark remains the same, space remains the same. How is encrypted as UBJ, then R is encrypted as NER and U is encrypted as LBH, and the question mark remains the same. So how are we going to do this? We are going to change each character to another character which comes 13 places after it. So import the java.util package first of all. Then I have taken this class as Caesar cipher. I have kept the name as Caesar cipher. Then in public static void main, I have declared a scanner class object sc. Also, I have declared a string type variable str, some integer type variables I, L, c equals to 0, some character type variables also. Now, first of all, we have to enter the string to be coded. Str equals to sc dot next line. Through the next line, we are entering one line of text. Now, this line of text, its length is to be stored in the variable L. So, L has to be declared here and L is initialized here like this. If L is greater than 3 and L is less than 100, only then the rest of the code will be executed. So, this if statement is starting from here and it is ending over here. If it is not true, then the else part will be printed, that is invalid length. But if the length lies between 3 and 100, both of them are not included, then system.out.println encoded string with move 13. This message is written over here. You can change the message to the cipher text is. Control C, I have written here. The cipher text is this. This is the message will be printed and then the cipher text will be found and printed after that. Now I am starting the for loop here inside the if statement. For I equals to 0, I is less than L, I plus plus. What does this mean? It will start from the beginning of the string from 0th index, it will go till L minus 1. Okay, the first character string dot char add I will be cut and stored in the variable ch. If this ch is from A to M, why A to M? Because 13 characters are from A to M. Count them. A is first, then B is second, C is third, D is fourth, E is fifth, F is sixth, then seventh is G, eighth is H, ninth is I, 10th is J, then K, L, M. 3 more characters, that means 13th character is M. So we are checking if the CH lies between small a and small m or CH lies between small capital A and capital M. Then CH is to be incremented by 13. Incremented by 13, so A will become capital. Small a will become small n. Small b will become small o and so on. It will be incremented by 13 and typecasted back into its character type and stored in the variable chr. So chr will hold the encrypted character of the character ch by adding 13 to it. Else if it lies between m and z, I think here it is wrong. It should be greater than equal to n. And here also greater than equal to capital N. It should be like this. Because M we have taken in the first if statement. If it lies between N and Z, then CH is to be decremented by 13 because the character N is to be converted into A. Isn't it? N के आगे के 13 characters तो है ही नहीं. N is the 14th character. If you add 13 to it, तो वो 27th कैरेक्टर पे पहुंच जाएगा। तो 27th कैरेक्टर तो कोई होता ही नहीं है, इसलिए वो स्टार्टिंग में ए पे जाएगा। एन की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? ए। देन ओ की जगह क्या आएगा? बी। पी की जगह क्या आएगा? सी, एंड सो ऑन. So we are decrementing 13 over here, and then again it is typecasted into character and stored in the variable chr. Now this chr, अदरवाइज क्या होगा? सी एच आर इक्वल्स टू सी एच. अगर कोई और स्पेशल कैरेक्टर हुआ, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकन एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क एंड अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, देन द सेम कैरेक्टर विल बी स्टोर्ड इन सी एच आर एंड वी आर प्रिंटिंग सी एच आर. जो भी एनक्रिप्शन हुआ है, सेम कैरेक्टर विल बी प्रिंटेड, अदरवाइज द स्पेशल कैरेक्टर विल बी प्रिंटेड. दिस लूप विल एग्जीक्यूट फॉर ईच कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. 0th कैरेक्टर सबसे पहले एनक्रिप्ट होगा, वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा. देन आई विल be incremented by 1. We go to the index number 1 that is the second character. It will be incremented and printed here. Next we comes to I equals to 2. It will be encrypted and printed over here. This is the end of the for loop. This was the else part. Now the function main ends here and the function class and the class ends here. Let us save this Caesar cipher.java. Now I am executing this program. Java C Caesar cipher.java. No errors. Caesar cipher. Now it is asking enter a string to be coded. I will write here hello exclamation mark space how are you and question mark. This is it. In R I have missed A. So if I do it again, so I'm getting the correct answer. The cipher text is this. I'm getting the correct answer. If I change it, if I write a string which is only 2 characters, it will give invalid length. That means my program is running absolutely fine. I hope this program is clear to all of you. Thank you, class.